So hi everyone, in this video we will configure and set up Tailwind CSS inside ReactJS app. So we will start from this window. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will open uh, the VS code inside this directory, okay, using shift F10, and then we will open this with the VS code. Okay, so after opening this folder inside the VS code you will see something like this. Okay, so we will open the terminal also inside the VS Code. So for that we will use Control Shift tick and it will open a terminal for us. Okay, so first thing what we will do, we will install we will create a simple Vite app. Okay, so for that we will select this React as a framework, JavaScript as a language. Now just go inside the project directory and npm install. Okay, it will install all the packages and dependencies for running the React.js project. And side by side you can see okay, so this is done. So we have set up the React.js project. So first of all we will go inside this package.json. This will provide you the idea about what are the dependencies and the setup of your entire React.js project is how. So you can see the dependencies are only two, React and React DOM. Okay, so first of all for using the Tailwind CSS, what we will do, we will install the Tailwind CSS first. Okay. Hmm. So after installation of the Tailwind CSS dependency, you can see this line added inside this dependencies dictionary. Okay, so you can see it. So that means we have successfully installed the Tailwind CSS. Now what we will do, now what we will do, we will come on the internet on the Chrome, and here what we will do, we will go on this guide docs of the Tailwind CSS. Okay, so first of all this has been done. Now we will install this. Okay, just copy this Tailwind CSS post CSS and auto prefixer, go inside here and then install the dependencies. Okay, one by one, done. So this has been done and you can see Tailwind CSS configuration as well as JS. Okay, so after doing this, what we will do, we will add this to the Tailwind CSS configuration JS file. Okay, now coming back to the configuration file and we will replace this with this. Okay, so this has been added. Now come back. Now I will add this. Okay, I will add this directories to the CSS. Okay, so where is the index.css? Here it is. Okay, so go to the end. At the end we will Tailwind CSS. Okay, just add this. Okay, so this is done. Now we can simply run the npm. Okay, I will just copy this for as an example. Now we will run the React.js. Okay, and you can see something like this. Now after doing all of this stuff, what we will do, we will come to the app.jsx. Okay, coming back to the app.js, we will remove these unnecessary things which we don't need. Then we will remove this entire stuff. We don't need this, and we will add our own stuff. Okay, and you can see it is working, right? And we will remove this as well. So this way guys, you can see text is 3x1, font is bold as well as underline, it's underline. Okay, so if we remove this now, what we will do, so it will become normal. Okay, so this is how we can set up the Tailwind CSS. So coming back to the template screenshot components. Okay, components. Tailwind CSS. Hmm. Okay, we will come to the background color. Okay. Mm, we will take this. Okay, just copy this and paste here. I will come back to this. You will see something like this. Okay, so this is how we can create a Tailwind CSS animation. Right now, coming back to the mm, now this is for the background text line. Hmm. So if we copy this property and add this here, okay, so it will be uppercase. Okay. So guys, this is how we can use the Tailwind CSS on the ReactJS app. Okay, so what we have done. Hmm. So first of all, we have installed the Tailwind CSS. Okay, and after installation, we goes to the package.json, right? And inside the package.json, what we had checked. So after installation of the package Tailwind CSS, it should be Tailwind CSS dependency added on this dictionary. Okay, and after doing that, it should be Tailwind CSS post, and these all the dependencies. Okay, dev dependencies should be also added. Okay, after coming to the yeah, we have added this from the website. Okay, we have added this content from the website, so it should be with this some files. Okay, all the files will be identified this Tailwind CSS configuration JSON file, JS file, and then post to CSS. You can see this. Okay, plugins. And after doing this, we came to the CSS file index.css, and there we added this annotation, or what we call as. Okay, and then after that, we simply remove all the pre-existing lines of code inside the React.js and all the imports, and we have just added these lines. Okay, and using the class name and some Tailwind CSS properties, we have created this. Okay, this is what we have created using the Tailwind CSS. Okay, so this is how guys it will work using the Tailwind CSS. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.